Good morning, folks. We've got several items to hit today, from space weather, including potential Earth effects, to a video recommendation, to solar climate forcing, to an ancient geomagnetic excursion, and to a fantastic website recommendation. We'll hit it all with links below the video in the description box. We are starting, as always, with our star. Over the last day, there were only C-class solar flares, but several filaments erupted. You should be able to see how active the corona is despite the lack of larger flaring events. And you can see the plasma activity even better in 304 angstroms here, including the activity behind the incoming limb. This is what we saw in the couple weeks leading up to the last 5.9-month cycle uptick, and we are indeed just a couple weeks away from the next one. One of those eruptions, the filament on the north, released a CME that may come close to interacting with Earth. It would be a glancing blow and minor, if anything, but we'll have eyes on the solar wind. We also have several small but developing sunspot groups here, none with major flare potential as of the early morning hours, but each with room to grow. We'll also be watching the solar wind for the arrival of the coronal hole stream. 211 angstroms shows it as the dark patch crossing here on the north, reaching from the polar region down to the equator.